Okay, I'm not sure if the running lights back here are supposed to be on when the key's turned on, but we can come up here, push on the brake, and we don't see any brake lights coming on. The key is on. Turn the key off, the running lights go off. And I've got some alligator clips hooked up to the switch, and right now we've got an open loop. Press on the brake and we get 314 ohms. So now I have to look at what the specs are actually supposed to be. Let off the brake, you can see what happens. So I do think it's a sensor, but I'm not certain because I don't know if these are running lights or brake lights, to be honest. It could be that they're supposed to be on as soon as the key comes on, the rear tail lights. I don't know. The front lights certainly aren't on. So we'll go from there, and of course with the key off, push on the brake. Still shows something. But no brake lights, so I don't know if the brake lights are supposed to work with the key off either. I'm gonna have to look that up and find out. But I think the resistance is supposed to be a lot less than that.